Billionaires like Mark Cuban are hiding a mathematical secret in plain sight, and it makes all the standard financial advice you hear look completely ridiculous. We are constantly told to put every spare dollar into the stock market to earn an average 8% return over a decade. We are pressured into taking huge risks with our money just to keep up with inflation. But Mark Cuban has a brutal reality check for normal people. He believes the absolute best return on investment you will ever get in your entire life has absolutely nothing to do with Wall Street. The secret lies in a strategy so painfully boring and domestic that almost nobody takes it seriously. It involves a massive shift in how you view the cash sitting in your bank account right now. The moment you understand this hidden mechanism, the way you buy groceries and manage your household will completely transform. But to grasp exactly how this works, we first have to look at the massive illusion blinding most normal spenders today. Chapter 1. The Illusion of Market Returns. Most people genuinely believe that wealth generation only happens when you expose your money to risk. If you open any personal finance book today, the message is always the same. You are instructed to funnel portions of your paycheck into index funds and wait 30 years to see a meaningful compound interest curve. While that strategy works in the abstract, it ignores the stressful reality of daily living. Stocks can crash violently without warning. Your investment portfolio could easily lose 20% of its value in a single afternoon because of economic shifts completely outside your control. Mark Cuban points out that gambling your limited funds in the stock market often prevents you from capturing the true guaranteed returns sitting right in front of you. When all your cash is tied up in shares hoping for a tiny yearly gain, you completely miss out on the incredible financial leverage hidden in the aisles of your local supermarket. Chapter 2. The Toothpaste Strategy. The billionaire approach to spending focuses entirely on transactional value rather than speculative gambling. Cuban argues that buying replenishable household items in bulk during major sales is the smartest financial move anyone can make. Imagine walking into a store and seeing your favorite toothpaste discounted by 50%. If you buy a 2-year supply of that toothpaste on the spot, you just secured a guaranteed 50% return on your money immediately. That return is entirely tax-free and completely immune to stock market crashes. You are going to use that toothpaste eventually, no matter what happens to the economy. Instead of earning a volatile 8% in the market, you secured a massive and certain victory in your budget. By purchasing daily consumables like soap and soup at their absolute lowest price, you keep more cash in your pocket down the line. But this strategy only works if you understand the strange paradox of keeping cash in the bank. Chapter 3. The Paradox of Idle Cash. Financial planners aggressively warn us that cash loses value over time due to inflation. They insist that letting your money sit idle in a standard checking account is a terrible mistake. However, this conventional wisdom completely misses the tactical advantage of liquidity. When you have cash readily available, you possess the supreme power to act the second a rare opportunity appears. Economies move in cycles, and prices fluctuate wildly. If your money is locked away in complex investment vehicles, you are paralyzed when an incredible deal presents itself. Cash is not trash. It is essentially stored energy waiting for the perfect moment of deployment. By keeping a healthy reserve of uninvested money, you can comfortably execute the bulk buying strategy without hesitation. You gain immense peace of mind knowing you can exploit steep discounts at a moment's notice. Yet there is one massive financial parasite that will instantly destroy this entire plan. Chapter 4. The Debt Parasite. The guaranteed returns of bulk buying disappear entirely if you are carrying any form of high-interest consumer debt. Mark Cuban frequently states that credit cards are the worst possible investment for a normal spender. When you carry a balance on a credit card, you are effectively paying the bank 20% or more for the privilege of borrowing their funds. Earning a 50% discount on laundry detergent means nothing if your credit card company is quietly draining your bank account every single month. Debt acts like a relentless parasite feeding on your future wealth. The absolute first step to securing real financial leverage is eliminating these predatory balances entirely. Paying off a credit card that charges 20% interest is mathematically identical to earning a guaranteed 20% return in the stock market. Once that parasite is finally removed, your cash suddenly becomes a potent weapon for capturing daily value. Chapter 5. Redefining transactional value. Normal spenders view a trip to the store as a chore where money is simply lost, but the wealthiest minds view every purchase through the lens of transactional value. Every dollar you spend is an opportunity to lock in future savings. When you buy a single tube of toothpaste at full price because you ran out that morning, you are paying a heavy premium for poor planning. You are reacting to a shortage rather than anticipating a need. The brutal reality is that poor planning forces you to pay top dollar for the basic privilege of surviving. Shifting your mindset requires you to treat your household inventory like a miniature business. A successful business never buys materials at peak market rates. They buy in volume and hold inventory until it is needed. Applying this corporate logic to your personal life creates a massive buffer against rising prices. Once you master this domestic discipline, a fascinating psychological shift begins to take place. Chapter 6. The Psychology of Abundance. Stockpiling essential goods at a deep discount fundamentally alters your relationship with money and stress. When your shelves are lined with 2 years of non-perishable goods, you completely eliminate a major source of subconscious daily friction. You stop worrying about grocery inflation because you already secured your supplies at a fraction of the current cost. This tangible security is far more comforting than a distant retirement account that fluctuates with the news cycle. Mark Cuban points out that holding cash and securing guaranteed deals allows you to sleep incredibly well at night. You are no longer held hostage by retail markups or economic uncertainty. This strategy physically surrounds you with the proof of your smart financial decisions. The anxiety of sudden expenses begins to vanish entirely. You have effectively insulated your daily existence from the chaos of the outside world. But putting this all together requires one final commitment. Chapter 7. Winning the wealth game quietly. True financial independence rarely looks like a flashy lifestyle or a complex portfolio of speculative tech stocks. The reality of wealth building is incredibly quiet, deeply practical, and stubbornly consistent. You win the game by eliminating toxic high-interest debt first, so you can actually retain the money you earn. You keep a strong cushion of cash ready to deploy the exact second an opportunity arises. You completely stop paying full price for items you will inevitably consume anyway. By aggressively buying household essentials in bulk during major sales, you secure a guaranteed return that the stock market simply cannot beat. This brutal reality check from Mark Cuban proves that building a strong financial foundation does not require a degree in economics or a risky side hustle. It only requires the discipline to look at ordinary choices differently and the patience to strike when the math is undeniably in your favor.